Hi guys, I'm Olivia Vaughn. Today I'm going to show you how to make an air-plant terrarium. The things you'll need are cork tile, a glass light cover, scissors, moss, crystals, rocks or pebbles, air plants, and a marker. All of these items will be linked below. Now let's get started. Trace the glass light cover on the cork tile. Cut the tracing out, but cut it smaller than the light cover. It took me a moment to get it to fit, but I got it. Now pop the cork in, put some moss in there, then the crystals, add a little more moss, put your air plant in there, and ta-da! Air-plant terrarium. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked this video. Follow me on Instagram and tag me if you guys have made some awesome air plant terrariums.